At Bandit, we don't just design products, we prove them where it matters the most. Our friends at Lighthouse Transportation Group are always looking for ways to stand out with their customers and make the work for their crews more efficient and enjoyable. We took the new drill accessory banding tool and Tru-Lokt buckle to the field for them to try out. After taking them for a test run, here's what they had to say. The buckle is great. It's so much easier to see the tension. You know it's right just by looking at it. This helps us stand out and win contracts. It sets a new standard and will leave customers with peace of mind that installs are secure. I'm excited about the tool. Appreciate the robustness. Compared to the manual tool, I think people will love it. The rollover feature with the handle is notable. Not having to roll over the whole tool is way easier. Bandit's quality is obvious. We're excited to get these products out in the field.